roasted Branzino with stuffed crab. Guys, this is nothing short of deliciousness on a plate, or it will be. This actually is a sneak peek into how I go about creating my recipes. At the end of this video, you'll see what I think is really wrong with this recipe. I'm gonna tweak it, and I think in take 2, I'll be able to share this with you with total confidence. Hi guys, Drwendydearborne here from the Laws of Attraction in Action, and of course food beyond its nutrition. Well guys, this is a recipe that I am trying to perfect, and so I thought I'd show you in the motions, because usually guys you get to see it once I have cooked whatever I've cooked or prepared whatever I've prepared several times. Well, this is a Branzino, also known as Mediterranean sea bass. And what I did was I actually took out the spine. It's deboned, partially deboned because I left the tail on and I left the head on. And for me, that's for presentation purposes only. But outside of that, all the bones on the inside of the fish, they're all gone. I actually decided to stuff the fish with some cream cheese, some lumped crab. Let's see, cream cheese, lumped crab. I have some jalapeños in there, and they're really hot. They're from my garden. I've got some jalapeños in there. I've got some bell peppers. I have parsley. I have garlic. I have ginger. Let's see, ginger, garlic, and parsley. And what I did was to take the edge off of like the ginger, the garlic, and the shallots. I actually sautéed them just until the actual shallots were softened. And then I mixed this. There's lime zest in there, there's lime juice, and of course salt and pepper. And I used this today from Trader Joe's, multi-purpose umami seasoning. And really and truly, it's a mushroom seasoning for all intent and purposes. If you don't like mushrooms, you can definitely leave it out, but it can really take it to a next level. I usually use a mushroom seasoning that I get from the Asian grocery store, my local Asian grocery store. But today I decided I was going to try out Trader Joe's and see what that tastes like. So anyway, I'm getting ready to bake this. The oven literally just sounded before I started the video. I'm going to bake it at 425, and that's maybe for about 30 minutes or so, depending on what the internal temperature reaches, but it needs to be cooked through. And of course, the crab meat needs to be hot and cooked through too. So anyway, guys, I'll show you what this looks like when it's all done. Okay, guys, this is 30 minutes later. And one thing I do know, it was definitely overstuffed. But I kind of said that the Branzino was a little small, or I made too much stuffing. But this is 30 minutes later. It smells absolutely delicious. Yeah, the stuffing burst out, but look how this kind of browned up by itself. Very, very nicely done. Smells delicious. I am sure it's going to taste delicious too. And I'm actually going to serve this with some parsley and lemon butter and parsley potatoes with some peas and a salad. So that's it. Looking forward to tasting this. Okay guys, what I discovered is that the actual crab meat stuffing actually required maybe a 1/4 cup, possibly a 1/3 cup of panko breadcrumbs, or your breadcrumbs of your choice. You could also use an egg and breadcrumbs if you like. I just prefer to go the breadcrumb route. Outside of that, it tasted really, really, really good. So I will try this again with the breadcrumbs, and I'll show you the whole process because I think I've got it down pat. For recipes like this and more, go to foodbeyonditsnutrition.com, like and subscribe.